Ayan lang dito. Hindi naman kailangan hotspot ano. Hindi na. Okay. Kaya magkuhan dito. Sino nga hawak?
Iyo ko.
Ikaw, hindi ko ah. Okay.
Faccio mangiare prima le altre.
Okay, let's go back. A tip between Beres and Milano. Timer. Thank you, Deputy, for reminding us. Timer. Steal with number 13. Foul connects. Big connections. Good penetrations. Basket. Pushing. Bonus shot.
Raga, sono 2 punti. Sempre 2. Sì.
2-0.
Da free throw no.
Thank you, Rep. Updated. Stop the clock. Okay, thank you. Pakipatay na rin yun. Okay. That's just... timer, can you stop the clock? Okay. Yes, beautiful connection.
L'ho messo?
Number 10.
Ah? Sì, ho fatto.
There's a foul has been called.
Sì.
Foul.
No, ho messo il free throw. No, chiedevo
Number
solo
7, there is man inside. The senior of the team. Kick it out to 9. What a beautiful shot. First, 2-all. Number 8. Oh, traveling violation has been called. With 10 minutes and 15 seconds left. All 2. Alon inside, floats. A big rebound by number 15. Inside. No, this is control. Alon is on the drive. Kick it out. 6, there's a foul being called. 7, foul, Guzman.
May isang sa 3 points. Yung free throw.
serve più aiuto di
Yes, 3-2.
serve più
In
aiuto.
favor of Milano, a 1-point lead.
Serve più aiuto di qua per che non so. Ho detto Tito perché devo andare in un altro. Ma come? Chi se ne
So Philcom Italy is in search and looking for volunteers who wants to join our Lady Warriors to be part of our organization. Of course, we're looking for multimedia,
L'ha messo?
social media influencer,
Sì. Non l'ha messo. Ah, ok.
bloggers who wants to expand our project to Philcom. a kick ball. 3-2. 3-2 in favor of Milano. 3-2. Get out the shots. Yes! 15! 3 points! By Brescia.
Hindi po,
Yeah! 3 points by number 16. The Guzman, our senior, look sharp. Good, big rebound by number 13. Big C inside with the fast break. Foul. Oh. Five, 6, 8 minutes and 4 seconds left. Inside, we get out to 8. Shots, no good. Big rebound by number 16. Number 13. Alon. Kick it out to Brian. 3. Fake. A foul has been called to number 9. A third team foul by Beresha. Alon, our senior MBTC candidate. Number 15 candidate also MBTC. Number 10. No. A big rebound. Brian. Inside. Tap it up. The Guzman is on the run. Oh. Inside, there's a foul still called on number 16. Timeout! First, number 16. Foul and timeout by Brescia. Yeah. 6 and 5, leading by Brescia. Of course,
Hindi, baliktad yata. Milan yata ang 6.
6 po. Opo, Milan po.
no, correction. Okay, 6 ang Milano, 5 ang Brescia. Yes, sorry for the technicalities. Of course, as we give you an update, we're looking for the faces of the game. Of course, let's give you a big smile as the camera roam around and walk through in this game. Let's back to the ball game. Lubo. Milano, let's go back to the game. With 7 minutes and 51 seconds left. 5, 6, leading a point by Milano. Inside, a big rebound by number 15, Joshua. No. Big rebound by number 13. Let's see to number 18, kick it out to 3. Brian, Sin Alon, Tyron, stop. Slice inside, beautiful slice by Tyron. 8-5 by Milano. Inside, alone, of course. Why not? Good connection by number 10. 7 minutes and 5 seconds. 7-8, a point lead by Milano. Shots, no good. 15, 10, 9, pass to 8, Nezzy, give it back to Guzman, back to 10, 15, set it up, Turn. Loses control. Tyrone is on the run. Turns. Number 9. No. He's on the hurry. Seen by 15. Foul collected. Foul number 3. Substitution time. Foul number 3. Change. 0-0 out. 21 in. Short. Same ball. Then, inside, cut, slice, a bump, connects! That's a bonus, we will see. Foul by 21. 3, second team foul by Milan. Let's see with this bonus shot. No. Change favor. Milano 8, Brescia 11. Oh, it's control. 8 on the run. 10, 8 to 9. Hard drive. Pick it up to 7. The Guzman for 3. No. Big rebound by Tyrone. He's on the run. This is number 3. Kick it out to 13. Inside. Penetrates. Floats. Connects. 10-11. A trap. There's a foul as we go. By 21. Bonus shot. Substitution, ref, substitution. Joshua. Austria in, number 12, by Brescia. 11-10 in favor of Brescia with 1 point. Tignan po natin kung madaragdag ang kanyang kalamangan. Yes, first shot. Connects. So 12-10 in favor of Brescia. This is Tyra. Seen an opening by number 10 in a hurry. Wow! Number 10 using his left hand. Collect. Added for another favor by Brescia, 14-10. Brian Ford. Whoa! In and out. But a big rebound followed by number 23, Tyrone. Connected. 12-10. 14-12 in favor of Brescia.
Paki-update yung score.
4 minutes and 33.
14-12.
Tyrone is on the hurry. Let's see Brian, an opening. Wow. This is 14 all. With 4 minutes and 20 seconds in this ball game. The Guzman. Sintian opening for 3. No. Short. Tyrone. So the run, the team 21. Connects. Change favor. Milano is on the lead now. 16-14 in favor of Milan. No. To 10. 7 by Guzman. For 3. No. Big rebound by number 18. Tyrone is on the run. The team number 13. Fake. Back to Tyrone, pick it up for 3. No, in and out, 21, pick it up, drop to 18. 15 in.
Saan yung pizza natin? Wala.
23. Tyron, pick it out. 13, inside. Yes! Of course, why not for the seniors? In favor by 18-14, a 4-point lead by Milano. Scenario has been changed.
Devi solo mettere i punti qua. Se sbagli basta che vai
Seat
dietro.
10, an opening, a 3.
Quando finisce basta che schiacci
In
quello.
and out, big rebound by number 3.
Tanto registra.
Number 23.
Ogni volta che c'è la...
23 inside. Check it out, there's a foul on Stumble.
Aspetta, ma chi è che è in
On.
vantaggio che è in... Milano. E Milano qual è? Milano di qua, di
10.
solito, di qua Milano.
Reaching
Tutta
foul.
Milano qua.
Side ball.
Tutta Milano è qua. Poi qua Brescia. Ok. Basta. Ma Milano è bianco o nero?
Change.
È bianca.
8 out, 4 in.
Where's the pizza?
It's outside.
We're calling our camera ladies. Where are you? Okay. You're just trying to dry up something.
Due tempi da 12.
14-18 in favor of Milano with 4-point lead. 2 minutes and 46 seconds left. Scene number 13. Big man is in, 21. Wow. Nice drop by number 15. 10, 10, 11. All good. Big rebound.
Tito!
15. Tyron is on the run. Floating, no good. There's a 7. De Guzman. He turns to the left, but misses the layup. Number 13 is on the run to 21. Of course. 20-14. 22-14 in favor of Milano. 23. Tyron, the scene, 15. Drop to number 3, beautiful inside, of course. Timeout by Milano. 14-24 in favor of Milano by 10 points. Nice. A sportsmanship display. Guess who will be our next best player of the game?
Come va? Puntito basta.
Wala tayong buzzer.
Back to the ball game.
Ma c'hai... Devi guardare, fra. La devi guardare anche per la palla se va fuori. Perché sennò se la prendono con noi.
Okay. Venezia ball with 10-point lead. Scenario has been changed. Seven to Guzman, inside to get up to 10 for 3. Yes! 3 points! 17-24.
Non lo so, fra, io sono arrivata ora.
21, Ahasi by 8. Back to number 13. Drop it to 0. Connects. Beautiful. Give and go. Ahasi by 13. But pick it up by number 7. Inside to 8. Number 10. Inside. In and out. This is control. 3. Back pass. Mrs. Control. The Guzman pick it up. In the middle. Drop it to Joshua. Inside. The senior veterans. Mrs. Control. Pick it up by number 15. 15 is on the run. 13. Pick it up. Give it to 3. Brian. Number 13 inside. Push. At 15. Oh, there's a traveling violation. 12. Wait.
Yung oras, wait.
Wait, committee's timeout.
Ferma.
Guys, let's focus on the clock. Yes, let's focus on the clock. Kasi nagiging 12 doon. Okay? Yeah. No, let's...
Facciamo, mettiamo un minuto e facciamo scorrere. Tu guarda i giocatori meglio che si picchiano, sempre gli occhi sui giocatori, non ci dobbiamo mai fidare.
7. Let's just stop it with... Left. Let's just use 2 seconds to let them in. Then let's just continue
Ma
after
sono
that.
5 secondi, Tito. Facciamo così. Marunong pa ako mag-Tagalog.
No, wait, Tagalog.
Ilalagay ko po sa 1 minute tapos papaandar ko po up to 12 seconds.
Hindi, ganito na lang. I-delay natin ng para mas...
Hindi po siya kasi expert. Baka malito.
Hindi, I will tell him... I will tell him pag run na, okay? I will tell him, okay?
No Tito, devi seguire l'arbitro.
Baka ma-reset lahat. Okay.
No, kilala ko po ang ganito. Non ti preoccupare, Tito. No problem, Tito.
Okay. We would like to thank, of course, NBTC. So we will have 3-point shootout later and half court shot, a million half court shot contest. So we are inviting everyone who wants to participate. 17-26, a 9-point lead by Milano. Okay, back to the ball game. Time has been set.
Vai.
Let's run. Wait, run. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. No counted. Baskas knockout.
Spegnilo.
Score is 17-26. Ready for the second half. A 9-point lead by Milano. Thank you, Rep. Everything's under control.
Where are you from?
I'm from Belgium.
Belgium. Nice.
A wonderful display in sportsmanship and in discipline, but with both teams. So thank you so much for your support and cooperation. Of course, we would like to thank our referee, our Filipino and Chinese referee, and of course our Deputy Commissioner in Safety and Discipline, Commissioner Elmer Santos. Without the rules, there's no regulation. Ayan po, palakpakan po natin yung ating safety discipline. The tournament running smoothly. So let's go back to the second half of this ball game. So we are looking for volunteers, cameraman, vloggers.
Nasaan yung camera ladies natin? Iniwan niya ako dito.
ball game. Go, go, go. Of course, our team leaders of all. Inside, Joshua. 7 to get this man. No. Give it up for number 15. Bologna is on the run. Let's see 21 inside. 17. Shot no good. Pick it up by 16. There's a foul has been called. Foul on
Fallo blu.
7.
Fallo blu.
Our first team foul. First team foul.
Ilahat mo sa zero ang foul ini. Yeah. First na po.
Ne ha fatto uno?
17, 26 with 11 and 34 remaining. Ready timer. Shot timer.
Vai, vai.
18. There's a foul. Ang lakas tumitin ni Red. Yan ang buong arena.
A quanto sono?
May tatawagan ng foul. Number 15. 9.
L'hai segnato?
17, 27, a 10-point lead by Milano.
A quanto siamo?
First basket.
Ok.
Wow, a double scored in the 15-foot line. Number 10. Great. 15. 7. Inside. Back to 8. For 3 points. 20-29. The lead has been cut into 9. 15. 21. Inside. Number 8. It's on the run. 10. Ooh. No. Bring it down. Matalan is on the run. Number 23. Inside. Foul. Will be called on number 15. Bonus shot. 10 minutes and 45 seconds in this
Fallo blu.
second quarter. First throw. Connect. 21, 31, 20.
What? Hai?
Second throw. Connects. A double bonus shot has been given and both goals have been connected. There's a foul. Stop. Score.
Per.
20-31.
Parti.
Number 10. Inside.
Palla dove?
Almost dropped.
Vai tra, vai tra.
Number 18. Give it to Tyron. 23. Side. A 3. No. Pick it up by 18. Foul. On. Yes.
Bianco, bianco.
21. Holding foul. 13 fouls by Milano. Joshua for 3. No. Pick it up. 8. Shot. No. 7. Big rebound inside. Yes. Wow. Full power energy inside by the Guzman. 15 is free. Bump, no good. Pick it up. By Tyrone. Tyrone. Sing. By 18 inside. Loses control. 22-31 in favor of Milano. 9 minutes. Time. And 27. Inside there's a foul as before. 18. 18.
Fallo bianco.
Bonus shot. Third team foul. Second team foul, sorry.
Is that correct? Tama ba yun? Second?
Okay, a second.
Quando la palla tocca il ring, parti. Ora.
So next, the first. $21. Almost. 15. Messi. 21. Back. Drop the 3. Brian. No. Pick it up by the Guzman.
Waiting. Set it up to number 10. Pick it up to 10 to 7. Inside. Turns. Drop. A foul has been called. On.
13. Reaching foul.
Bianco.
Inbound. Baseline. Both teams are in third foul. Team fouls. 15. Turns. Joshua attack, but there's a foul on 3. For sure, a bonus will be called. Third, reaching foul. Bonus shot.
Bianco, bianco.
Bro Elmer, may baso po ba kayo dyan? Pwede na, hingi na ako ng tubig.
So,
First throw. Ay, sorry po.
Sì.
so we would like to announce, pag nagugutom po kayo, may pagkain po sa labas. 3 for 3. No? River by 7. Alone. Let's see. Bumps. There's a foul. On 3. Bump. Push. Bonus shot.
Pass.
Number 10. Penalty. Milano is in penalty situation. So next, the first throw. 25-21. With 8 minutes and 16 seconds left in this ball game. Back to back. Converted. 3, Tyron. Inside, bounce, connect. Our senior MBDC leaders of Milano, Tyron. Number 8, Joshua, also inside. Our senior, no good. Pick it up by 15. On the run, Luke, almost a steal, yes! Get it up, losing his step, connect! Time out! No, okay, keep on running. To leg 23. 9, alone, 10 is on the run.
Ferma.
Loses control, time out! Milano. 7 minutes and 29 seconds with 28 and 33. Lead has been cut into 4 only by Milano.
Coach, Firenze versus Francia.
Next, of course, our Europe team will demonstrate their hardship and resilience of the game. France versus Firenze. Dito po natin masusubukan ang ating European team. Of course, after this selection ID, we will feature an all-star game from Italy. Best of the best in Italy. Fieldom Italy against Fieldom Europe selection. Nangangamoy na ang susunod na star ng NBTC. Who will be the next young stars? Back to the ballgame.
Dikit po ang laban, mga kapatid.
It's the last quarter.
Who is 28? Ora.
23, Tyron. Seen by number 13. Back. Throws it to number 21. Swing. 3 inside. 15. Kick it out. Shots. Not a big rebound by Joshua. He's on the move. Of course, they want to cut their deadlock. Let's see. 7. Mapabawasan kaya ang kanilang kalamangan. Inside. Di Guzman. Drop it. Beautiful turn. But there's a foul of Tito. By. Ang ganda ng laban. Dikit. 32. Reaching foul. 13. Sorry. Penalty. Yes. Milan is in penalty situation. Wait.
Qua non c'è una pausa. Qua non c'è una pausa. Basta, deve terminare solo quando finisce tutto.
So, first drop. Let's see for the second connection.
Connects. Beautiful. Tyron. In the set. Looking for 13. Inside. In and out. 15. Alone. 3. 3. Let's see Tyron inside. He was. Let's see. 15. Set it up. See. Swing to number 3. Back to Tyron. Tyron is on the move. Swinging it. Dipsy. Floats. In and out. A big rebound by Nick Span. Let's see Dean on the run. Let's see. Got it by number 13. 13.
Bianco, bianco.
Penalty. 29-33. With 6 minutes and 26 seconds in the second quarter. Are we excited for our second game? Of course. Firenze and France together with Germany. Pinagsama selection. 13, 23. 21, back to Tyron. Almost a catch by 8. A 3 on the side. Jumps! Converted. Added to the deficit. 5 points by Milan, leading by 5 points with 6 minutes. 15. 8. A steal. But back to number 8. 7. Sigisman. 8. 3 points. By number 8. Lead by 2 points. 3. Oh, answer back. Back to lead by 5 points. By 38. 3. 37. 3. 4 points only. 5 minutes and 37. Sigisman. No. Rebound by number 15, Tyron. Give to 3. 23, Tyron. Foul. Reaching foul. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Substitution. Substitution. Sixth. 15.
Ah no, blu, blu, blu. Lì è vuoto, giù, parola.
Five minutes left.
Vedi, sembra vuoto.
The next time running 33-39 with 6 minutes with 6 points lead by Milano inside. Joshua for 3. Pick it up. 0-0 is on the run.
Pick it up by Joshua. Let's see. Yes.
Deficit has been cut into 5 into 4 points. 4 minutes and 34 seconds left. Steal number 0-0 inside. A foul. Number 8. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation.
Fallo blu. Non è vero, non era del
Yes, let's see second connection. Bonus! A violation. Entering too zone. Too early. Too ahead. Another bonus shot.
Quando tocca il ring, starta.
No. 9. Bob, kick it out to 8 for 3. A 4-point. Number 8 for my 4 points. 12 points yun, pero wala. 3 points lang. Napakalayo po. 4 minutes and 12. At a lead has been cut into 2. Bigyan up at this run for a tie. Yes. 3. No. Number 3.
Ah, vabbè, ancora 3 minuti. minchia.
3, let's see, 0-0. Tyron is on the run, at the side, 50-3, kick it out for 3. No, a big rebound by Big Span. Blue. Malinaw pa sa tubig, ang mata ni Ref, kitang-kita.
Starta.
With 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 38. Tignan natin kung makakatay ang Beresya, kung makakalamang. Nag-iisip. Ayun, sa gilid. Alone! Sayang! Mag-pick it up by number 23 Tyron side. Dadagdagan ng kalamangan. Wala. Pinik up ni number 7, number 8. Mainit ang laban, mga kaibigan. Between Milano and Beresya. Magtutunggali. Ito, leading by our NBTC leaders, de Guzman. And the other side, Milano, for 3. Let's see, kick it out to 9. Nag-iisip, 10. Swing, 8. Kung may 4 points, wala. Rebound by number 9. Let's try. Pasok! 3 points. Change, favor. 41. 40. Palit na po ng kalamangan sa mga sagot ng Milano. Pinikap na number 16. Wala. Rebound. Big rebound ng number 17. Nagpalit po ng sitwasyon. Lamang na po ng presya ng isa. With 2 minutes and 24. Titignan natin yung situation inside. Joshua. Ibabs inside. Turns. There's a fire. Connection. Made by Pyrox. Ayan na po. Substitution. May isa pa time out. Isa pa. Isa. Dalawa dito. There's still one more time out. Nagpalit po ng sitwasyon ng kalamangan. Ngayon, umihip ang hangin sa Brescia. 3 puntos ang kalamangan. Tignan natin kung madadagdagan. Beautiful! 4-point lead now by Brescia. To last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Tyron inside. A leader. Attack. A foul. 2. 15. Penalty. Substitution. Timeout by Milano. A last timeout. Huling pagkakataon. Isa pa. Meron pa silang isa. 3 pa ang timeout. 2 pa timeout din dito. So wala na po. Huli na po yan. Tag-isa. Timeout. Ayun. Ano po kaya ang ending netong ating game? Yung mga tumaya sa ending dyan. Ano kaya? 6-4? 8-2? Napakaganda ng laban. Sa isang minuto, nagpalit ng senaryo. Of course, game has been displayed, game plan has been displayed, strategy has been displayed of both teams. Masasaksihan natin ng both teams. Dalawang veterano, laban sa dalawang veterano ang ating MVPC. Joshua and De Guzman, battled by Tyrone and Brian. Ayan. Leading their both teams. Parehas pride. Yan ng Italy. Ang naglalaban. Our grassroots. Pinagmulan. From Philco. Tignan natin. Nabawasan ng isa. 3 na lang. 1 minute and 52. Ang ganda ng laban. Babawasan pa kaya? 2! Converted. 2 na lang ang kalamangan with 1 minute and 50. Nagmamadali. Number 10. Kick it out to 9. Swing it to 7. De Guzman. Tignan natin, pumasok inside. Right side. Tapos. Big rebound by Tyrone. Nagmamadali. Makita ang taas ng paasa. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 2 pa rin ang kalamangan ng Brescia. Maalagaan kaya nila. Time. Nagmamadali. Number 10. Inside. 8. Of course, De Guzman. Sa ating senior. Titignan natin. Tumira. Uy, opposite. Tinignan. Big rebound by number 23. With 1 minute. Swing to number 3. Brian. Inside. Dinamit. Oy, may para itatawag. Number 15. Of course, number 15. Foul, reaching foul. Tignan natin. If they will tie this ball game. Ayan po. Lahat ay nag-iinit ng kanilang mga pitang kung sinong mananalo sa larong ito. Pasok! Mga kaibigan, isa na lang. Maraming nagdadasal. Ayan na po. Tignan natin kung may tatabla sa 1 minutong natitira. Pasok! Sino pa? Of course, our leaders, being guarded by number 7. Zone has been running. Into 5. Naituwid. Naipasa sa number 10. Tabla po tayo sa 50 segundo. Oh, paiba tayo ng foul. Penalty tayo. May tatawag na foul sila. 21, foul, reaching foul, penalty. Tignan natin kung lalamang ang Brescia dito. Ayan, mainit ang lamang mga kapatid. Of course, bantayan din natin yung ating
Foul. Tignan po natin kung ilan na. Committee, pakibilang yung mga fouls ha. Be aware of this. Una, pasok! Wala si Kitchul, shot by number 10. Pinatunayan na siya ang magpapalamang. Pangalawa, pasok! Nako! Dalawa, 45 seconds. Tyron, inside, slice it. Wala, bigyan by Joshua. 30 seconds. Foul by number 3. Ayaw po. Lamang ang presya ng dalawang buslok ang ibibigay. Bonus shot. Penalty. First, nakita niyo yung laro ngayon. Nakita niyo yung foul kung paano yung disiplina na binigay ng kapwa nila seniors, our seniors and PTC players. Wait. Sandali. Parangalan, you have 5 personal foul. Substitution. Mahawakan kaya ng Brescia yung momentum na to? 2 puntos na tumataginting. Kung madadagdagan, tignan natin. Ano sa tingin nyo? Tatabla ba tayo o lalamang? So tignan po natin. Lahat ay kinakabahan, umiinit ang kanilang upuan. Sa laro ito, Milano against Brescia, ipakita ang kanilang kagalingan. Of course, their skill and talents must be observed in this game. Of course, yung disiplina. Kitang-kita, both leaders displayed. Nadagdagan ng tatlo na ang kalamangan. Padadagdagan pa kaya? 4 na ang kalamangan ng Brescia with 36. Time run. 15. Nakita si Tyron. Tyron for 3. No, bigyan ang 21. About as we go. With 29 seconds, may tatawag ako. 7. 2 foul. Tignan natin. Napaka-importanting free throw. Napaka-importanting free throw. Seconds left. First throw, short. Apat pa rin, kalamangan.
Non l'ha fatto. È 40.
Apat pa rin ang kalamangan.
No.
Tignan po natin. Wala.
È
Apat na
48,
kalamangan.
45.
29 seconds.
38, 44.
Run! 29 seconds, run! Foul. 26. Please, focus on the timer. Focus. Wait. There's a graphic. Wait.
Graduate number 9.
Number 9, you have 5 personal foul. Focus sa oras. Pakilang. Yung oras, hawakan mo yung control. Okay. Tignan natin if this mababawasan ang kanilang kalamangan sa 4. Ayun, 48-44. Sorry, our line will be more official. Ayun, 26 pag pumasok, time out. Number 13, first throw. Time out by Brescia! Mainit ang laban. Natatatlong puntos ang inaalagaan ng Brescia. With 26 and 5 seconds left in this ball game. Both teams are in penalty situation. Of course, sino kaya ang mag-uwi ng best player of the game?
Ma vai tra, lo faccio io dopo.
Brescia ball on the sidebar. (48-45), a 3-point lead by Brescia. Side inbound.
With 26, pakihawak ang oras. Oras, pakihawak ng
Quando tocca palla. Ora.
timeline.
24, 10 foul. Stop. 30 foul. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty.
Ilan na foul nun?
13.
Madadagdagan kaya? Yes. 49, 45. Apat na kalamangan. Dadagdagan pa kaya? Last time out, meron pa kayo. Milano. Time out by Milano! 50-45. 5 puntos ang kalamangan. Ngayon,
Announcement. Kung sino pong nawawala ng cellphone, iPhone,
Mahirap mag-ipon.
hari po'y halagang 700 euro. Baka may nawawala po. Hari po'y napararapot ko.
Va a vedere. Va a vedere.
ipapapremya sa half court shot. 23
Nero.
seconds left.
Tito, lascialo qua.
Kalamangan ng
Lascialo.
Brescia. Imagine, naitabla
Dove lo
sa
sto portando?
15 puntos ng Milano.
portando
Naibaba nila sagad lumamang pa ng 4. Sportsmanship and strategy has been displayed by Brescia. And of course, to Milano. Leading our both seniors team, Tyron and Brian, leading by Milano, and the Guzman on the other side. No, apat lang po. Apat lang po yan. Apat lang po yan. We're following. Oh, pumasok yung isa. Oh, pumasok yung isa. Kaya sila nag-time out. Yes. 50 na po yan. 50-45. Paki-check yung ating. Tama dito sa ating live.
Io ho 50-45.
50-45.
Raga, io ho 50-45.
23. Ayan. Sa Ginebra, kayang-kaya pang ipanalo yan. Tandaan yung sinabi ko. Kahit 10 pa yan lamang na yan, hahabulin yan. Tignan natin kung may strategy si Coach Marlon leading his team. So we will do some overtime right now. Of course, with the games, we will finish it our first step. Ayan na po, konting katahimikan.
Tienilo poi ti dico quando
23
girare.
segundos. Unang
Ora.
paksa. Tumakbo ang oras. Pinasa sa labas. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Joshua. Hinawakan. Oh, may foul na itatawag sila. With 13 seconds left. Who's foul? Gis. 2 fouls. 2 penalty has been given. 13 minutes. Ito yung ating senior LPTC players, Brescia, sa Brescia, si Joshua. Tumitira. At tignan natin kung magkukontribute sa aming nakalamangan. How
Sì,
will
sì,
this
sì, te lo
team?
dico io.
Of course,
Ora, ora.
a shot, Bises, a big
Ora,
rebound
ora.
by number 16. Nagmamadali, pero may foul na tinawag. Foul. Blocking foul. Number 10, blocking. Tignan natin kung may
10
bababa sa tatlo.
Sì, sì, blu.
Tyron will cut this leading into 3. Dalawa po. tatlo. Pinakawasan ulit ng tatlo. Tatlo na lang ang lamang. 10 seconds. 9, 8. May pangit na tawag sila. 15. Foul. 7 seconds po yan. 7 seconds. And 47 point in our
Ah, scusa, non ti ho aiutato.
final quarter. Ang init ng laban, mga kapatid. Tingnan po natin kung madadagdagan. Inalagaan at dinagdagan pa ang number 10. 51-47. Tingnan natin, pangalawang tira. Dinagdagan.
Aspetta.
Catching 5. Ayan.
Ora.
Tyron nagmamadali. Of course, titira ng 3. Short. Hindi pa tuloy ni Tyron. Short. Tira number 13. Wala. No time. Number 5. 52-47. Ang ganda ng laban. Mainit. Mga malalakas. Makikisig. Pinakita ang kagalingan. Beautiful display of sportsmanship. Magkakamayan ang nanalo. Of course.
Sì, lo so.
Who will be our best player of the game? Hulaan nyo kung sino. Simon de Guzman! Palakpakan natin si Simon, our best player of the game. Of course. Tignan natin. Pakibigay nga po yung ating golden plaque. Simon, nasaan ka? Eto ba yun? Naku, pinatunayan. Alam mo, i-interviewin kita. Kapatid, come here. May pangako sa akin si daddy mo. Pag nanalo kayo at pumuntos ka ng mahigit 10, sabi niya, iuwi ka niya sa LBTC. Ano, that is promise. At susuportahan niya yung pangarap mo. Masaya ka ba doon at masaya din ba yung team mo na nanalo kayo? In Italian, pwede mo ipaliwanag.
Allora, sono piloti me stesso, di tutta la squadra e niente, oggi è mio.
Is there anything that you want to thank for? Meron ka bang gusto pasalamatan?
Grazie alla squadra, ai genitori, alla mia tifa.
Congratulations, bro! You did a good job. Ayan ang ating best player, si Simon. Wow! What a beautiful display. Handa na ba kayo sa susunod na laban? Pinatunayan!